Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot, and in today's video we are going to be looking into what your life is going to be like 5 years from now. So a month ago I did a reading where we spoke about what your life is going to be 2 years from now, and I think this was requested there, which is why I thought, alright, let's just do this. So I want you guys to take some time to select your pile, because pick a card is all about connecting with your intuition, taking your time and selecting the pile. Okay, and that's exactly what I want you guys to do. I'll give you some time and then we shall start with the very first pile, which is pile 1. And if you have chosen the very first pile, these are your messages for 5 years from now. Right. We are starting with your tarot cards, and after your tarot cards, you have a couple of oracle cards which we will be using to clarify. But when I look at your spread, the very first thing that stands out to me is you are at a very good situation. Like 5 years from now, I see you being in a very strong position, financially, health-wise, and even in terms of your career. Because your cards are very good and positive. Because the very first card that has come up for you is the Star. Now the Star is a card of hope. The card of healing. This is about positive changes happening in your life, is especially in terms of your health. So in terms of your health, if I have to give you the message, I see you being in a very good position. But also with that, the Star for me is a card of long-term plans being successful. So especially right now in this point of time, if you are making any long-term plans for your future, 5 years from now especially, I see those plans really being successful. So I would suggest to, if you haven't already, make some changes in terms of long term, especially when it comes to money, because any money changes that you make right now in your life in terms of long term, those will really succeed. Also, because in terms of your career, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Now the Wheel of Fortune also speaks about positive changes. This talks about happy period in your life, like a situation probably moving forward in a way that really makes you happy. So the Wheel of Fortune is a card of success for me, a card of fortune being on your side. So financially as well, in terms of your career as well, you look in a very good position. Also, there is a wish fulfillment card with the 9 of Cups here. So 9 of Cups is like a wish coming true. Any concerns that you may have in terms of long term, I don't really see any problem for you guys. I just see this emotional level of fulfillment for you as well. But what is happening is a major shift that I see for you is in terms of your personality. Because in terms of your personality position, you have the Hermit. So the Hermit talks about a person who likes spending time on their own, who is very much in terms of a spiritual dimension, really making progress. So spiritually, I see you guys making a lot of progress, but this will also make you into an introvert. So especially if you are an extrovert right now, I see you really going within and looking for the deeper meanings when it comes to life, So 5 years from now on, I also see you going through a period of great self-discovery. So you will sort of really, think about things in terms of, okay, is this working for my life? Okay, is this career really right for me? Also, the Hermit is a card of research. Hermit is a card of, really looking into things deeply. So what I feel like, because, you have everything going on for you, you now want to reflect deep within. It's almost like, okay, I've accomplished so much in my life. What next? So that is kind of a situation you find yourself in. But, I just see this as being very positive, because, when it comes to success, when it comes to worldly achievements, after a person has achieved a certain level, there's always that what if. So that is the point you will find yourself into. Also, what I see for you guys is you may be juggling a lot of things. Okay, so you may be you've taken up a lot of responsibilities again, which brings me to your career. So there is a possibility for you guys, you may reach like the top of the corporate ladder, especially when it comes to business situations, like individual businesses. Maybe for a couple of you, you may leave working for somebody else and go solo. Your solo practice, your solo solo businesses. Especially one thing that I'm really getting here is for people who are into research, like completing a PhD project or wanting to get a PhD. This also speaks to me about teaching. So maybe a couple of you will head into teaching positions, will head into supervisory positions, like whatever you've learned in your journey, you may be called to teach it. This doesn't have to be, teaching at university, but of course, if you're called to it, you'll be doing it. But even when it comes to a corporate setup, even when it comes to your spiritual practice, you will be in the position of a teacher. So this can be in a corporate setup in the form of a corporate trainer, in the form of like a boss, like really high management people who will later supervise other people or train people for jobs. So all of that is coming in. Of course, spiritually, I see you guys getting involved with some kind of an organization and really, having your own yoga retreats, having your own spiritual classes, or just giving spiritual discourses. Okay, so that is also very much possible for you. What I see is for a couple of you, you may be doing two things. So one is like a full-time job, and the second will be something that you really enjoy, like a passion project, a creative projects. But this is definitely you doing two things at a time. But this is like also a chord of managing multiple things. So maybe you're managing your household situation and your career side by side. But this also speaks to me about a work from home situation. So maybe like I was talking about the hermit, a lot of you may be wanting to create your own businesses, wanting to now do something on your own, something that not only brings you monetary success but also brings with it a certain level of satisfaction. Like I said, because you've achieved so much, now this is like, okay, what can I do for myself with this? How can I make myself happy? So the focus is not on the collective, but the focus is on how you can make your own life better. Okay, so a lot of you may sort of study deeply, like you may start taking classes at university no matter what your age. Okay, so maybe some of you will want to learn creative things. So I'm getting like pottery, I'm getting gardening, I'm getting dealing with herbs, Ayurveda. All of these things is coming to me. What is happening here is, even if you're not interested in some things right now, when you're watching this reading, this talks to me about newer interests. So you will sort of change a lot as a person after 5 years, which of course should happen because we should all grow as individuals. But for you, it's going to be a journey of self-discovery, because as a person you will mature a lot, as a person you will grow a lot. What is crucial here is you may also be at a point in your life where you may have to make a lot of decisions, and important life decisions at that. And because of which you're doing two things, maybe one is making you really happy, and the second is something you're doing only because you've done it for so long. So that is sort of bringing you at loggerheads. Like, what should you pursue? Should you do something that is making you happy, or should you do something that is probably paying well, or it has been something that you've done for a very long time? So that is something that you will probably struggle with. But what is necessary for you is to make that decision, to really decide that, okay, maybe I'll just continue doing two things, give this time to this part and give this time to the other part. But that is something you struggle with, because this duality is something that is constantly present in your life. Okay, because you're changing a lot as a person. I think that is the reason why you are coming up with these kind of questions. But either way, in terms of your career, in terms of your health, everything looks good 5 years from now. Okay, so let us look at clarifications with your oracle cards. So again you have teaching and learning. So this really clarifies the hermit here. So you have reached a position where you've probably learned a lot yourself in terms of your personal journey, in terms of your professional journey, and you may be called to teach that. So this is like, you shouldn't really back down from it. But again, this tells me like you may want to learn a lot more. Again, for people who want to pursue higher education, especially research oriented positions, I really suggest you concentrate on it, no matter what field you are in. Alright, so that is something that is coming up. Home. Okay, so for a couple of you, this is like about getting a house like for your own self, or getting a house closer to your family where your lot of your family members live. Because what I suggest is the need for having people who mean a lot to you, that is really coming in. Okay, for a couple of you, I'm also getting moving to be closer to your children, or maybe your kids will need your help. For people who have kids, because people of all age group watch me, so I really want to cater to all of that. Like being close to your children to help them with their families is also something that is coming in very strongly. But I just see this need for home, this need for belonging, a need for community, and having that need fulfilled. I think that is what is coming in. But home is going to be one area that you're going to be focused on a lot 5 years from now. So that is what is coming in. Again, this talks about finding a place that really seems like home to you. Okay, that is also coming in with the hermit energy being there as well. The next is a financially unexpected income. So money can come from unexpected sources, sources that you not expected. Again, because of two things I'm getting, like one, you have like a full-time job, but second, income might be from something you really enjoy doing, and that sort of becomes like a second income source for you. Again, this can be in the sort in the manner of an inheritance as well for some people, like inheriting money from grandparents, inheriting money from an unexpected relative. So all of that is also possible for you. But money coming in from sources that you did not expect is something that is really showing up. And the last one here is animals. Okay, so this speaks about an animal coming into your life, or you working with animals, like volunteering at a shelter, or just being like a foster parent to animals. Like all of that is coming in. But I just feel like an animal will become a part of your life. All right, because you specifically have called in the animal thing. So maybe an animal really wants to come into your life 5 years from now. So this is something I'm going to be really interested in. So if you're watching my reading and if you've got this card, please come and tell me if an animal showed up into your life. Okay, so that is what is coming up for you 5 years from now. So I just see good things happening in terms of a person. You're really maturing and you're really asking yourself what works for me. All right, so that is something in terms of your 5 years. I hope that all of your dreams come true, and especially the dreams that you're working towards, because your long-term plans are succeeding. So really work towards what you can do right now that you'll be very proud of 5 years from now. I will leave you with that, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you have chosen pile 2, this is what is coming in for you 5 years from now. Alright then, so we have our tarot cards, but again, to clarify the tarot cards, we will be using our oracles. So let us begin. So the very first thing that I want to tell you is you will be achieving a lot 5 years from now. I see this not only achievement at a personal level, but at a public level as well. So whatever it is that you're working towards, you will receive public recognition for that. Of course, in order to achieve that, you will also need in the present moment and working towards the 5-year mark, a lot of self-discipline. So this really tells me about a hard-earned victory, So whatever it is that you're achieving 5 years from now, it is only because you worked really hard, like you've put all your energy into your dreams, and as a result you are where you are. But where you are is amazing position to be. Okay, important achievements coming here, but achievements in terms of the public is also something that is standing true. Another thing that I really see for you 5 years from now is you will have a firm control over your life. You will be at a position in your life where you will call the shots, and you will sort of become a very strong individual. Okay, not only an individual who is headstrong, but also somebody who's very, very grounded in reality. So this really tells me about people who believe in hard work, people who are responsible, people who are like practical, people who are generous, so those are the kind of people that you will become 5 years from now. Also, what I see for you is like business wise, okay, career wise, I see you guys really succeeding. But this is like a hard earned success. Like everything that you're putting into right now will, really reach its peak 5 years from now. Financially, especially, I really want to tell you guys, like no matter what your situation is right now, 5 years from now, it is going to improve drastically, because you have like not one, not two, but three cards that tell you about the same thing. So this is about really reaching a position where financially you are so really good that not only can you help yourself, but you can also help people around you, okay? So this speaks about long-term investments paying off. So especially if you're people right now who aren't really into the saving habit, if you make that effort right now, you are really going to be reaping in the rewards 5 years from now. And then the kind of position you're reaching for a couple of you is the work that you do will only be work that you enjoy doing. So this really speaks to me about people who follow their dreams, people who like live like digitally, where people can travel the world, and almost it's like retirement, early retirement kind of a vibe is what I'm getting here. And it's only because you have worked so hard leading up to the 5-year mark. All right, so the next card for you is like the Fool. The Fool is a card of new beginnings. The Fool is a card of following your dreams, unexpected opportunities, travel opportunities, traveling the world. That is the kind of thing that I see. But I also see movement for you, so wherever you are, and I'm talking in terms of location, your location is changing. So you may shift houses, or you may live in multiple places, because that is the vibe I see. You also have the Chariot, which again is a card of movement. So you may move around a life, like you don't have to rely on that one place of work. So for a lot of you, a lot of independent businesses is what I'm seeing, but also for people who've retired early. So bravo, I say this is something like I consider my dream life, and if that is your dream life as well, then that is happening. You won't have to rely so much on being in one place in order to get that source of income. So that is what is coming through for you. But also what is coming through for you is in terms of education, in terms of knowledge, I see you guys having that thirst, especially people who really want to get into a new area of study. So you may find yourself getting into things that previously did not interest you. So this may be for a couple of you going back to university, like learning new things. But this is also about people who just enjoy learning, who enjoy the process of learning, enjoying new things. But I also see a very earth-based energy here, so a lot of you may acquire land. So buying land, buying properties is something that's coming in, whether you live in those properties or rent those property out. Either way, I see that land, that earthly energy coming in. Also for a couple of you, I also see you sort of going towards gardening, like having your own garden, having your own produce, like organic farming. All of that is coming in, because that the land energy is very strong when it comes to the reading. Now you may be people who are very prone to anxiety. I can just really tell this is going to be my pile when at the end of the reading I select my pile, because this talks about anxiety. This just talks about this fear, like, oh my god, I might lose this one day, or oh my god, what if this happens, that happens. So that anxiety prone things, the fear based things, the negative thought pattern, that is something you will struggle with. But I just feel like you may be people who worked so hard, and people who really work hard, like put in their blood, their sweat, their tears. That happens. So don't feel like you're going to lose out on all of this, or one fine day you'll wake up to realize that this is all a dream. It's not. You work towards it, your dreams have come true, you're living the life that really speaks to you, and you are a person who's very responsible, so don't really worry about it. That is the only aspect I see. Let us look into your oracle just to clarify. Intuition. Intuition also brings me to the spiritual dimension, but in terms of your spirituality, I see you wanting to explore, I see you wanting to grow, and because you have the Fool card, it's almost like you're like a sponge. So for a couple of you may travel for spiritual retreats in order to meet a spiritual guru. That is also possible, probably traveling to countries where spirituality is a big deal. Again, people who are into yoga, like you may become a teacher or teach yoga related classes. All of that is coming through, but your intuition is going to be bang on target. Okay, so trust your intuition is what I want to tell you. Boundaries. Like you will become a person for whom boundaries is going to be important. You will sort of reach a position where you know where you end and where the other person belongs. Like the people you don't vibe with, you will sort of disconnect with them. That is what I'm getting here. Children. Child. Again, child can talk about new beginnings, like a new beginning coming into your life, you wanting to explore a new way of being, but this also speaks to me about actual children. So especially if you are at a point in your life where you want to have children, you may have a child 5 years from now. That is also a possibility, or children might feature very prominently in your life. For a couple of you may work with children. Also, foster parents is something that I'm really seeing. Adopting a child is something that I'm really seeing, but something about working with children is also very much possible for you. For some, this could actually be a grandchild that you're really close to. That is also something that I see. And again, in terms of your health, healing is present. So no problem as such in terms of your life. Please stop your anxiety, because that's the only thing that can trouble you 5 years from now, because the rest of the things are pretty much managed by you, because you here are going to be in control of your life. All right, so that is my reading for you 5 years from now. Good things are coming, and that really makes me happy. I will see you in my next one. Bye. And if you have chosen pile 3, this is what is coming in for you 5 years from now. Alright, so we have your tarot cards, but of course we have your oracles as well. So we will just use them to clarify at the end of your reading. So to begin the reading, I just feel like because you're pile 3 and pile 3s are like always magical, the kind of life that you will have 5 years from now is going to be the life you manifest for yourself. Now that puts you in a very, very important position. So be really mindful about what you're putting into your present and what you're thinking about in terms of your future. So all the thoughts that you're thinking have to be in alignment with what you want to create. Okay. Again, with the magician is a being who's very, very capable. So you will be able to make things happen that you want very effectively. Also, in terms of your career, I see you being very successful. Especially, I see you achieving a lot. Okay, this is about completion of a long-term project. Like this talks about joy. This talks about fulfillment. It talks about gratitude. So whatever path you're walking, especially in terms of your career, I see you succeeding in it. But of course, it will take hard work and it will take a lot of determination on your part. Okay. What I also see is you may have a certain amount of competition when it comes to your work, okay? But you will be able to beat that competition effectively if you sort of, don't give up at a certain point of time. So at no point of time should you give your power away to another individual, because for you guys, you also have the moon. Now the moon talks about hidden influences. So when it comes to your career especially, you really shouldn't be trusting somebody else to make those decisions. Okay, so the control should always be in your own hands. All right, and any fear you may have should be really addressed at the very root, because like I said at the beginning, you're very powerful manifestors. So only manifest things that you want in your life. Also, for you guys, there is a possibility of a new beginning, because you have the world in the completion card. So the world talks about a job well done, but after that you're moving towards something. So you may also change your career for a couple of you, but of course this can also be about just changing your specialization or moving into just another aspect of your work. But there is some new energy coming in, especially in terms of your career. This could just be moving into a new company or moving into a new place. That is also possible, because you have the world card as well. Now in terms of your career, you may also move country, move city, but movement related to work is very much there. Or in simple terms, if I just have to put it, where you are currently when you're watching this reading, that is not the place that you're going to be living for a very long time. So that movement to another location is coming in very, very strongly. But also there is a possibility for you to sort of get into your own business. Business, especially if you want to get into it 5 years from now, you will have very good luck, because what I see this, your starting especially is going to be very, very good, and you will sort of gain a lot of fulfillment from working on your own. Okay, because like I said, you are the magician. Your very being is like succeeding at whatever you put your mind to. So that is something that you're really getting here. Of course, financially as well, I see you at a very, very good point. But what I see is you are sort of going to be investing a lot of money 5 years from now. Okay, so you will be making a lot of financial decisions for yourself 5 years from now. Okay, so I just feel like you may get a lot of money, and you may then decide that okay, this amount of money I am going to invest here, here and here. That is something that I get for you. Okay, I also see you meeting a lot of important people who will then help you a lot, especially in terms of your work area. But also I get this sense of community. So if a sense of community is important to you, I think you will find a group of people who you really agree with. Also, for a couple of you, I see you guys really reconnecting with people from your childhood. Like the place where you grew up will have a lot of importance. Like you may travel to this place frequently. This also speaks about reunions with people from your friends who are with you since your childhood, like your college days, like people who like probably walked out of your life or just moved away because of life situations, coming back into your life. Okay, but your history, like connecting with your childhood, connecting with your roots, is going to be very, very important for you. Also, 5 years down the line, I also see you becoming more emotional as people. Your emotional connection, your relationships are going to be very, very important to you. In fact, more important than your work situation, more important than anything else, because that sense of community is something that I really, really find you valuing 5 years from now. Okay, so that's something that is coming in. Also, for a couple of you, I just feel like your family life will really thrive. Like you may feel like having kids for a couple of you, being close to kids, but children especially feature a lot, and children as in your family, extended family, being around family. So that is going to be very, very important for you. That sense of community is coming in very, very strongly. Also, what is coming in here is a lot of peace, like mental peace, mental harmony. A stable home life is what I see for you guys. Although you may travel with your family, I see you guys having a route. So whichever place you choose for yourself 5 years from now will in the end become like your permanent home, because I think that is your whole intention behind moving wherever you're moving 5 years from now. Okay, so this really speaks to me about laying down your roots. So this talks to me about getting that permanent home or buying a family home. Okay, so that is what is coming in. Again, you're really at a point where you're successful in your life. You have that mental peace, you have that happiness, you have that stability stability really coming in. Let us look into what your oracles have to say, because I just feel like you are going to have a lot of clarity. Yes, new beginnings, like I was talking about. So you're going to be making a new beginning, you're going to be shifting, you're going to be moving, because a move is very, very significant for you guys right now. Okay, changing your career, that is coming in very, very strongly. And the reason why it is coming strongly is 5 years from now, wherever you are currently, okay, you may feel like you've achieved whatever it is that you could achieve at this place, and you're feeling like, okay, maybe this place won't really have anything else that it can do for you, or maybe you've reached the top of that success layer where you are currently and you move to a new place. Okay, but either way, that new beginning is really happening. Even the place where you're living right now, you feel like, okay, like everything is great here, and maybe I just need a new adventure in your life. So yes, moving in terms of the world just for the sake of adventure is also coming in. So travel, again, you may enjoy a lot of travel is what I get. Yes, love partnership, like I was talking about, your emotional life is going to be very important for you. Your family life is going to be very, very important. It's almost like, you've achieved everything that you could achieve, and it's almost like the worldly life doesn't really attract you anymore. That is something that I get. And you may want to focus more on your relationships, you may want to build relationships is what I'm getting here, because I just feel like you've achieved quite a lot, and after a point that does happen. And a card is fallen, so I'm just going to pick that up. Yes, the next one is great fortune. So yes, money wise as well, you are pretty sorted. So financially as well, you don't really have to worry about anything. You're in control of your life. So whatever it is you want to do, whatever new decisions you want to take, whatever new kind of a life you want to live for yourself, you are going to just be in control. And I think that is a very, very important, especially because you are pile 3. Because, I believe all the pile 3 people are sort of working towards these things. We're happy, where you're at peace, and you have a lot of fulfillment. Not only fulfillment when it comes to worldly affairs, but fulfillment in terms of your emotional life. And all of that is coming through. Just make sure to release any fears that are holding you back in the present moment, because you're powerful manifestors. Your fear-based thoughts will also come true, which is something we don't want for you. Okay, so make sure you release all of those fears. And one thing that I really want to warn you about, be careful whom you trust in the journey of your life, because I just feel like you have a lot of karmic situation going on for you, and pile 3 always does, because you are very advanced souls. So be careful whom you trust. My message to you is, trust people who've always been there for you. Trust your family and trust friends who you've grown up with. Okay, that is the message that I want to leave you with. But you are the captain of your own ship 5 years from now. I wish you nothing but the very best, especially because you're pile 3 and you deserve all the goodness that is to come in your life. I will see you in my next one. Bye.